Videocon introduced India's first washing machine in 1987. We got you ready for your first day in school. We ensured you made an impression at your first party. We made your lucky blue shirt sparkle at your first interview. While you went through many firsts in your life, so did we. We are delighted to bring you another first. Presenting the all-new Careen Elite 03. India's slimmest front-load washing machine, designed to keep pace with your modern lifestyle. We have combined space-age technology with superior design to create an outstanding washing experience. At the heart of the Careen Elite 03 is the revolutionary air wash technology. The ozone air wash treatment knocks off dirt, odor and harmful bacteria from your clothes, so you are at your freshest best. It comes with advanced smart invert drive motor. It gives you a thorough wash without producing any noise. The wider circumference of the door helps in easy loading and unloading of clothes. The child lock feature automatically locks the front panel to avoid interruptions in wash cycle. The water temperature selection function keeps the water temperature at the desired level. It helps tackle stubborn stains with ease. The Careen Elite 03 sets a new standard in automatic washing machines. The same passion for excellence shapes the new Zara Royale. Its slim form factor frees up more space in your apartment. This feature-packed washing machine is a pleasure to see and a joy to use. Designed to perfection, every detail feels just right.